Hey neighbors, welcome back to Hometown View. Today we are in Nashville, Tennessee, headed to Watertown on the Tennessee Central Railway. So stay tuned, we're getting ready to hop on the train. We are at train number 9400. I think up there is the dome seating, so you get to see above you, but this one doesn't have that. But a great window view. The museum is a nonprofit organization ran by volunteers with a mission to preserve and restore old railroad equipment and to teach visitors about America's railroads. Since 1989, the museum has been offering these scenic excursions from Nashville to many points across Middle Tennessee. And as you travel through Mount Juliet, be sure to check out that beautiful mural of Charlie Daniels, who passed away in 2020. He was also a longtime resident of Mount Juliet. The trains have air-conditioned coaches with refreshments and souvenirs on board, and you'll even see volunteers dressed up in period costumes to make it fun for the passengers to enjoy. All right, so we're about to hear from Don, who has actually been with the Tennessee Central Railway Museum for right around 14 years. And he's going to tell us a little bit about the car that we are in right now.
Yeah, the coach was built in 1954, and it's built by the Budd Manufacturing Company in Cincinnati, Ohio. It is no longer a private coach. As of the first of this year, 2024, the owner, a doctor in Nashville, a surgeon at Vanderbilt, had bought the coach in auction, and then he donated it to the museum this year.
Hey y'all, we're coming into the historic Watertown, Tennessee, and more to come as we get out and explore this very neat and small town community. What else can you say? You gotta love these charming small town communities. Watertown is located in Wilson County and has a population of approximately 1,500 residents. It's known for its friendly community and historic downtown, and it is the quintessential example of small town America. All right, so we're at the Depot Junction Cafe. This is truly a mom and pop place. I'm not going to call it a hole in the wall because it's right in the middle of town, but they have some great food here. Heard a lot of recommendations for this place. I'm getting the diesel hamburger, which is a half a pound of hamburger meat. We're about to find out what that's like. I've already tried it. I'll take a bite for you guys. That is a half a pound of hamburger meat. It is absolutely delicious. I absolutely love these little free libraries. You can find them in small communities and hometowns all over the place. Take a book, leave a book, read a book, encouraging childhood literacy right here, folks, in Watertown, Tennessee. Watertown has such a strong sense of community. It offers a unique and inviting experience for visitors. I stumbled up on this war memorial, which is such a heartfelt tribute to those community members who made the ultimate sacrifices in the various conflicts around the world. All right, y'all, it's about time to hop back on the train and ride back to Nashville. If you're ever in the Middle Tennessee area, Watertown, Tennessee is where it's at. That is what I would say would be a true small town America experience. Good people, good food, just a great time here in Watertown. So let's hop back on the train and head back to Nashville. Here we go, all aboard. A big part of the enjoyment of the train excursion is just getting to see all of the nature along the way. You'll pass through areas and see fields and trees and all sorts of things that you probably wouldn't see on the interstate. You'll cross over bridges and see creeks and rivers. You'll also see some really nice buildings and historic areas in the towns of Lebanon and Mount Juliet. It just makes it all worthwhile to get to see all of these beautiful places. All right, y'all, it's going to be a wrap for our video today. I had such a great time going to Watertown, Tennessee. If you're ever in Tennessee, stop by and visit the Tennessee Central Railway Museum in Nashville, and you can ride to Watertown and check out all the fun things that small town has. It's a great community, great people, great food, such a great time. Have a great day, y'all, and we'll be talking to you soon.